Good morning, sir. My name is John Romar de la Pina. I'm here to recite the 10 commandments of safety driving. First, 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will show down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every drivers and pedestrian. Next is self-traveler. 1. Thou shalt not gaze at the phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. 5. Thou shalt buckle up the kids. 6. Thou shalt not drive on the right. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep the distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Next is self-clearance. First is keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule. Lining up the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or until traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measure. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serve. Vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. That's all, sir. Thank you.